Welcome SATS geniuses to question number 35. 56 times 540. Well, the easiest thing to do here is to turn the 540 into a fraction by putting the invisible 1 in. Now, because we're doing that because we can then do top times top, bottom times bottom, because that will work for multiplying two fractions. And you're not really changing the value of the 540 by putting the 1 in, because 540 over 1 is the same as 540 divided by 1, and 540 divided by 1 is still worth 540. So you're not changing the value of it. So we're going to have bottom times bottom is 6 times 1. Well, that's nice and easy. 6 times 1 is 6. Top times top is 5 lots of 540. Well, let's work that out. 540 times 5. 5 nothings are nothing, 5 fours are 20, put the 0 in, carry the 2, 5 fives are 25, plus the 2 is 27. So it's going to be 2,700 on top of our fraction. Now we have an improper fraction. Now it is okay in SATS to leave an answer as an improper fraction, providing that that improper fraction does not divide to be a whole number. If 2,700 divided by 6 to be a whole number, we're not allowed to leave it. We've got to give that whole number. So the only way of finding out if it does or not is to actually do the divide and see what happens. So let's try 2,700 divided by 6. So let's see where this takes us. 6's into 2 won't go, but you haven't really used the 2 because it wouldn't go, so carry the 2 to make 27. 6's into 27. Well, 4 6's are 24 with 3 left over. Carry the 3, that now makes 30. 6's into 30 goes 5 times. 6's into 0 goes 0 times. So now that does actually work out exact. 2,700 divided by 6, as you can see, is 450. So we are not allowed to leave it as an improper fraction because it works out to be a whole number. We are expected to give that whole number as our answer. So the final answer that they're looking for is 450. You would not get the mark in this case if you left it as an improper fraction. There is a completely different way that you could have got the same answer. You could have worked out 1/6 of 540, and then whatever that answer is, times it by 5 to get 5/6. So 1/6 of 540, let's see what that is. Well, 1/6 means divide by 6. So 540 divided by 6. 6's into 5 won't go, but you haven't really used the 5 because it wouldn't go, so you carry the 5 to make 54. 6's into 54 goes 9 times, and 6's into 0 goes 0 times. So 1/6 of the 540 is 90. But we want 5/6. So we want 5 lots of this 90. 2/6 would be 2 lots of 90. 3/6 would be 3 lots of 90. 4/6 would be 4 lots of 90. 5/6 is going to be 5 lots of 90. So 5 lots of 90. See where that takes us. 5 nothings are nothing. 5 nines are 45. Therefore, 5/6 of 540 is 450. And that is the exact answer that we got using the other method. It doesn't really matter which method you use as long as you get the correct answer.